Happy December 2nd, everybody. Looking at Diamine and Colorverse, Ink Vent and Color Vent, day 2. We've got Energy from Diamine and Apollon for the god Apollo from Colorverse. I don't think either of these has shimmer, but we'll find out. Start with the Diamine Energy. It says, what does it say on the side? Sheen. All right, not seeing a lot of sheen just yet, but we'll give it time to dry. Definitely a nice purple though. Colorverse Apollon. Again, doesn't appear to be a shimmer. So it's definitely a yellow, leaning a little bit orange. Almost a gold. I've never been a big fan of yellow inks because they never really show up on paper, but this one actually looks like it might. It's got a little gold to it. So yeah, I'm still not seeing a ton of sheen on the Diamine Energy, but it's a nice purple with at least some shading. And then the kind of caramely yellow gold Colorverse Apollon. All right, so there are the Color Vent and Ink Vent inks for December 2nd. Diamine Energy, a nice purple ink with some, a little bit of shading, maybe some sheen. Yeah, I guess there is a little bit of bluish green sheen. See if we can get it to zoom in. And then Colorverse Apollon, kind of a caramely yellow. Please leave your favorites in the comments, and we'll see you tomorrow.